Labor Day today, and let's see how the beach is today. Is it crowded or not crowded? And these are all the houses. These are all called single family houses, as you see. These are all individual houses with land. So they are called single family houses. This is ranch. These are colonial houses. This is ranch again. This is a beautiful colonial house. Moving to highway now. We are going to the freeway. I'm going to stop the camera and I will start again when we reach near the beach. Here, see the beach.
Are we going to park up here?
We're going to go a little bit ahead and park,
Okay.
See, these are the shades where people can sit and relax when it's really sunny and hot summer.
Yes, they must sit. If it's summer, they can sit.
Doesn't seem to be crowded, so that's a good sign. We are finding a parking now. Parking is also quite full. We will find something. This is another shade.
There's a shed over there, Mommy. Look,
Yes.
there's a shed.
Right, yeah. See, people are biking.
Oh, look at there's a shed. Huh? Doggy.
These are beach caddy, and we are putting our chairs and everything in this, and we will be going to the beach. Hooray! We've reached. So today we are in one of the beach in Boston area, and you see how beautiful weather is. Beach is completely empty. Not many people. So, okay. So I'm going to go. But you stay tuned because I'm going to show you clipping of afternoon how the beach was so full of energy. Stay tuned. water, enjoy. And you will also find that there are changing rooms here, so people can actually go change themselves. Kids, people literally come and enjoy the sea with their families. Time is around 6:30, and that's why we don't see a lot of people, because 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. is like a dinner time here. So people try to kind of wind up and go from beaches or wherever they are to home, park, and kids will have dinner at 7 and they will sleep by 9. Very typical American lifestyle. We are yet to adhere to that. Our kids sleep very late, and so do we. My work only starts like after 9, editing this video for you guys. See there, so many shells have come. Today is slightly windy, so I'm sure water must be cold. Normally, it's very interesting that when you see the news, they will tell you what is the beach weather like, and they will also tell you what is the water temperature, because so many people go in the sea and they need to know what is the water temperature. I'm pretty sure today it's cold. Let me try. Let me see if the water is cold today. Yeah, kind of, little bit cold. And then one more interesting thing I wanted to tell you, that people actually like sun here. So if it's sunny and hot weather, people would be out and you will see a lot of people on the beach. If it's a cloudy day, people kind of, they would think whether they want to go to the beach or they want to go somewhere else. But because people like to come tan here, they would come in the sun, and it's very common that you will see people coming in the beach wear, swimming shorts with their families and kids, beach towels. They will go enjoy in the water. They will go change in the changing rooms, and then they will go back home. So it's like a full day picnic. You come prepared with your food, with your beach wear, and you will see people are roaming around with the beach wear. They just wear wrap around on the top, or it's called cover up. It's a very thin layer that you wear on top of your bikini, or you wear shorts over your bikini, and you just roam around, and that's kind of okay, because people really don't care what you wear and nobody's going to look at you. So that is something cool here. If you really like to roam around in the beach wear, want to really enjoy beach, sunny weather, you should definitely visit US. Any region of the US you visit on the beach, you will find the similar environment and you would enjoy it. And you get so many varieties of beach wears, even for boys and for girls. Mind blowing. Now if you go to the store, I will show you sometime, you will see that summer is kind of moving away, so fall clothing will start coming. But when winter goes, spring goes and the summer starts coming, you will see beautiful variety of beach wear, cover-ups, beach towels, beach toys, beach mats, beach caddies, beach chairs, and you just can't imagine what not. So this is a beach. Look at the beach. So clean, serene, and beautiful. These are some of the apartment buildings here in front of the beach, as you see. Like in India, they will not be like super expensive here to buy house in the apartment which is beachfront. Like in India, many of the places you will see that if it's beachfront, it has to be prime property. But here it all depends upon the location, kind of population, cultural people, ethnicity. People see a lot of things, schools, how is the standard for the school, and based on that they decide where they want to buy and stay here, or rent and stay here. I will cover those topics about the school and other things. So I will cover those topics about the school and other things in my future episodes. You keep watching so that you don't miss all of those things. What we have to think when we're buying a house, which locations, and what are the factors that we have to consider. I will definitely cover that, and I will also show some of the market realities. Depending on the location, the prices of the houses really vary. People prefer to buy houses which are independent or townhouses. Some people prefer to stay in apartments. And as I said, it really doesn't matter if it's a beachfront property. In the winters, beaches are absolutely haunted. Nobody comes here because there's so much snow, water comes out, and that's why it's a preference. Sometimes it's a flood area, flood zone near the beaches because of the snow melting. If there's a huge snow piled up and if it melts, it would be a flood zone. So most of these areas would come into the flood zone, and then that's why people would prefer to stay in apartment than independent houses. So see the beautiful view for the apartments. Yes, if you plan to visit and settle down, definitely this is something that you can enjoy without paying the premium price that you pay in India for the premium living facing the sea apartments. More about the houses in my next episode. Right now, just enjoy the beach. You see people are walking along the beach side. You will see that couples, families come to picnics. They will come with the chairs and sit down. They will come with the mats and sit down. They will bring everything: food, drink, cooler, cold drinks, everything they carry along with them when they come to the beach. And it's like a one full day well spent at the beach. Few weeks back when I was here, people were doing kite surfing. So basically you have your surfing board attached to the kite, and as the kite goes in the wind, you surf the sea. I'm sure it's a skill and it's a nice sport, and I saw a lot of people had come here doing that sport, and it was so wonderful, I can't tell you. It was so beautiful to see all the kites flying in the air on the sea. It was really beautiful picture to see. commercial because they have hotels attached to the beach, and people can actually come from hotel to beach directly, and that's why it's so premium to be there, enjoy the beach. But because it is less commercialized here in New England, you can actually enjoy beaches a lot, but of course for a short period of time because weather is good only for a limited time here in New England. Getting dark now. See, kids are riding the bike.
Yeah.
Let's see if kids like Taco Bell dinner. Taco Bell is like another, Mexican joint like Chipotle we had yesterday. Let us see what is the menu. If you're a first timer to my channel, press that subscribe button and you will see more of our beauty.